how to create an animated square or rectangle. Here we use editor NetBeans ID 8.2, NetBeans ID 8.2, start NetBeans ID 8.2. It will run and load. Wait some time. Now it loaded, and go file, new project, and we can select categories HTML5 or JavaScript. Already selected HTML5 or JavaScript, you can select. Then projects HTML5 or JavaScript application. Then next, project name animated square, and you can browse location and click here another location, this PC, and then drives. I select desktop, open, and then finish. Wait. Now a project created named animated square. Click the plus sign here for expand. Here click on the side root. We can see index.html. This is the view on index.html code inside. Now we can delete the comments, and title can be animated square, and div can be deleted, and save. Here on the site root we can create a CSS file and folder for write CSS. Right click on site root, new folder, CSS, folder name CSS, and finish. Folders are created CSS here, and we can create CSS file. Right click on CSS, new, cascading style sheet. Here is the file name, CSS style sheet name, STYL style, and then finish. Here create style.css, and the view of style.css codes are here. Some comments that are not neat, we can delete these comments, and finally save. Now go to the index.html, click here, double click here index.html, and show the codes. Now we can create a link with style.css and index.html file. So linking code are here. Click here, inside head, angle bracket, link, and slash angle bracket. And now we can write rel, stands for relation, equal style sheet, press enter, and then here href hyper reference equal CSS folder. Already show this CSS folder. We can press enter, and now press Ctrl plus spacebar, and we can see again the tooltip style.css. This file style.css are showing here style.css. So draw down arrow and press enter. So linked with CSS file, the index.html link with style.css. Now finally we can create a div enter, and right here class, right here space class equal div square, and save. Go style.css, double click on here, right dot div square, class already showing here, and we press enter, and then curly braces, second bracket, right here height zone 200 pixel, semicolon, width zone 200 pixel. Now we run it. After saving, click here on the browser, I can choose Firefox, and click here for run the project. Showing nothing. For here background color is nothing, not defined, background color red, and save. Go to Firefox and right click to load the page. So we can see a square created. You can change the squares to rectangle, change the height and width property. Height can be 400 pixel, so we can go Firefox, right click, reload the page. It can be a rectangle, height large or wide, and change the height 200 pixel and width can be 400 pixel. Save it, and Firefox, right click, reload. It is a suitable rectangle. Change it the previous shape, height 200 pixel and width 200 pixel, and go the Firefox, right click, reload. Now we animate the square. First it move the right side on the browser, and second it back its position. So first it fixed on its position, and next it move on the right, and next it move on the left. Now we can create a keyframes. Add keyframes, the name of frames, my move, user defined name, my move, and here we can 3 parts of task: 0% and 50% and 100%. On 0%, it from left, it position 0 pixel, and 50%, when the task complete 50%, its position from left to 600 pixel, and when the task complete on 100%, then its position from left 0 pixel. Now here on the div square we can write position position relative, and animation name. Here animation name, press enter, my move, and now you can animation duration 8 seconds, and now, and what time animation are run, animation iteration count 3 times, and then save and go to Firefox and right click, reload. Here is nothing. For why? Is a mistake. Animation direction, not direction. Animation duration 8 seconds, and save and go to Firefox and right click, reload. So animation can move right first and then left. First time, second time, and from left it run third time. Oh. And it finally run third time and off. So animation iteration count, you can here write infinite, so it can run infinite time. It's running for infinite time. So you can write the 3 properties: animation name, duration, and iteration. On A, you can write animation name, duration, and iteration count on a single property. For this reason, we comment it and write here a single property animation, and here the name, my move, space, animation duration 8 seconds, you can reduce it 5 seconds, and animation iteration count infinite, and save, and finally go to the Mozilla Firefox, right click and reload, and it move fast for the time 5 seconds and for infinite time. Thank you for watching the videos.